almost at San Francisco.
Almost there.
Almost.
First, we must cross the bridge, the iconic Golden Gate Bridge.
Whoa! We just passed through the gate. Look at that. Fisherman's Wharf, downtown San Francisco. It's a little touristy area by the harbor, and then we're gonna go from here. We're gonna go to Pier 39 where we can see the sea lions. So let's go.
But first things first, a cup of coffee.
Yay!
Let's go. So Ivana, are you having any luck identifying male from female? Maybe
No
these,
clue.
the bigger ones that seem to be pointing their nose in the sky, maybe those are males.
That looks like a grandpa,
Grandpa, okay, sure.
right?
I wonder if they're actually speaking, like if there's a language here, or if it's just noises.
For sure.
You think they're speaking?
Yeah.
What are they talking about?
It's their communication.
Soap operas?
They like to cuddle together, so maybe they're colder.
Maybe just comfy. When they're on land, they move around like a drunken human who's in a sleeping bag.
That's true.
You know? They swim really well. You can see them jump on top of the dog. But on land, they're just so uncoordinated.
Oh, I love them. I love watching them.
They're funny. Look at this guy over here wailing on his back. Awesome. So, Ivana, what do you think?
I have a question for you, Steve.
Okay, hit me.
Are they taking a nap?
Are they sleeping?
Yeah.
Yeah, they must be sleeping.
They seem like they're just laying around.
Just being lazy. There's no pressure on a sea lion.
What
Some really great noises they make.
Oh,
I like to do some imitation. Ivana will handle that department. Really great.
They're cute.
I wonder why they call them lions, because lions are really like noble and majestic.
Oh,
and
look
really,
at that.
you know,
Look
these
at
things
the
are kind of
pose.
like sloppy. These are more like sea hippos than sea lions. You know?
Yeah.
Lions are like, you know, amazing.
Oh
but
my god.
not that sea lions aren't amazing. They're just a little bit, you know, kind of fat and sloppy.
They're amazing. Look at this one. Ooh, he's just enjoying the air and the sun, although there's no sun today.
He is kind of noble, isn't he? Kind of majestic in
Yeah.
his own
Oh.
say. Oh, we're gonna fall over. Oh, jeez. He's like, hey man,
Oh my god.
if this pier's not rocking, then neither am I.
Wow.
That was really great, man.
I know.
And a couple of things we read on some information for you guys. So, why are they there in the first place? The sea lions just came and claimed it, basically. They took it over Then a little study was launched. You can still hear them. A little study was launched, and we realized their numbers were growing, so we let them stay. But they're not like, it's not a zoo at all. They're not trained or anything. Just some wild sea lions came and claimed Pier 39, and then humans vacated it and said, okay, you can stay.
It's so awesome.
Really
what a
great.
great morning so far.
Really great. We also learned that the sea lions with the lump on their head are the males. So we were right. We guessed.
Yeah.
We guessed that those ones that look different were the males. Really, really great. Right
Awesome.
beside Pier 39, behind us, you can see Alcatraz.
Right there.
Alcatraz. So Pier 39, would recommend the sea lions, and then Alcatraz right
Yeah.
here.
So Alcatraz was a prison, and
Right.
it was really hard to escape that prison. So if you are locked in there, it's abandoned now. But
Yeah, it's defunct now, but Alcatraz behind us, really great so far. If you're wondering why the weather is so cloudy and gray, that's just how it is in San Fran. Because it's near the ocean, it's just super cloudy, super foggy.
I love it though.
It's really
I love
great,
it.
man. I've had quite a nice time. Some of the houses, maybe we'll do a montage of people's houses. Some amazing looking houses in San Francisco.
I wanna
Really,
live
really
here.
narrow lots, and they build it vertical, and all like windows with shutters. It really looks great.
Amazing.
So next stop, we're gonna keep exploring and probably go towards Chinatown for maybe some lunch.
Ooh,
Okay, let's go. Hey Vanna, you tired? Quite a few hills. Oh man. Okay.
We're going to Lombard Street.
Okay, let's do it. Phew. Come on up, baby. Wow, Ivana. So what do you say?
Probably like one of the prettiest street I've ever seen.
You're liking it.
I mean, look at the house in front of us with the flower bed.
Very beautiful. All I can think
Amazing.
is, imagine living here, just hundreds of tourists every day. I would have some aggravation.
That's true.
You know, most of the cars going down the street are tourists
Yeah.
filming. People who live here just have to deal with it. That's part of living on the crookedest street in the world. Anna, look at my feet right now. So much downhill. My toes bursted right through my sneakers from doing downhill like this. That's crap. San Fran owes me a pair of sneakers, man. That's nonsense. You know they should make an app in San Fran? They should make an app that tells you restaurants or coffee shops that are the same elevation as you. So you don't have to walk uphill or downhill. No hills accommodations near you. My calves are hurting and my big toe bursted through my sneaker. Oh look, what's ahead of us? More downhill. All right, searching for Chinatown. That's me! I think we've made it to Chinatown.
Yeah.
So what's on the menu for today, Vana? What are you craving? Maybe some sweet and sour
sum.
pork? Dim sum?
Hey,
What is dim sum? Soup?
dim sum. You don't know what dim sum is? It's
No.
well,
Let's go find out.
let's go.
Wow.
Let's show Steve some dim sum. So we got the special dim sum plate to introduce Steve to some dim sum. This is what dim sum is.
I swear I thought dim sum was soup. Wow. Very authentic Chinese food. Everyone around me is Chinese. So that's a good sign.
Yum yum.
favorite parts so far. Pork bun, barbecue pork bun. That kind of red, Chinese food pork. Very nice. Okay, first dim sum experience.
How is it, Steve?
First of all, what is dim sum? It's a whole bunch of little things. It could be anything. It could be pork, it could be chicken, it could be tofu, it could be taro.
Could be buns, it could be spring rolls.
It could be spring rolls. It's hard to say you don't like that if it's anything you want. So I'm a fan of dim sum. I liked it. Congee still my favorite. Okay, next stop.
We're going to the Painted Ladies. That's where the Full House show was taped.
Full House.
A long time ago. No. There's a new one on Netflix. So yeah.
Oh, the new, but same house, right? In the opening?
Same house.
We're gonna go see the Full House. Quite a long walk, maybe 20 or half an hour.
Wow.
So let's go explore the slopey streets.
I love it.
Yvonne is distracted by a flower that she's seen a million times. So let's go explore the slopey streets of San Francisco. Whatever happened to sensibility? Paperman, the newsboy, evening TV. So, we've made it, Ivana.
Yeah. Which house? Who knows?
I think it's the one with the red stairs.
You think so?
I think so. I would say it's kind of lame to come all the way to San Fran to see a house in a TV show, but I don't regret it. I feel like it's interesting.
Yeah.
It's easily, we could be made fun of for doing this, but I'm okay with it.
Well, the houses here, they're so colorful and they're just nice. They're nice to look at. I want to live in San Fran.
You want to live in San Fran?
Yeah, I would live here.
I would live here.
Yeah.
The weather today has been perfect. It was pretty cloudy and foggy, but it got beautiful. We had a great walk here, 45 minutes.
We walked all the way from Chinatown.
And now we are looking at the Full
famous
House. Very exciting. Let's enjoy the view. One more. San Francisco, very nice. What's your final conclusions, Ivana? Final thoughts?
Oh, I love this city. I would live here.
Really?
I love it.
You would live here. What about it draws you to it?
San Francisco, it's an exciting city. There's so many things to do. They have Chinatown, they have the harbor, they have all these pretty houses to look at, and I just want to live in one of those houses.
It's true, the houses are very beautiful. Lots of hills, lots of interesting streets, gigantic city. I would say it's very big. I would say it seems like a very fashion forward city.
Yes.
You know, there's lots of tourists here,
Lots of fancy cars.
Fancy people. It's California, you know. We're working our way towards Hollywood, where it's all the fancy people.
Yeah.
But I would say it's a really great city.
I love the Bay Area so far.
So far, the Bay Area has been great. The bridge was really spectacular.
Awesome.
I'm getting to be an old man already. I think I have a crush on bridges. I find bridges.
It's true.
You can just look at bridges and go, man, look at that. You know, really, I have a little crush on bridges. It's like a middle-aged passion, you know. But I'm very young. What am I talking about? But I would say San Fran is really interesting place. Good place to travel. Lots of tourists.
Yeah.
Lots of people walking around not speaking English and with cameras.
Lots of cameras.
So I didn't feel like I was obnoxious when I was filming things because everybody's filming stuff.
Yeah. I love it though.
It's really quite nice.
Yeah.
I mean, California's been amazing for us, from the redwoods, which was like
Awesome. It
like
was
might be
magical then.
one of my highlights of the whole trip. That redwood forest with massive trees, and then our first stop in California is San Fran. I mean, it's been really great.
Yeah.
So we've just been sitting here in this park, watching, basically looking at some houses because one of them was in a TV show, which is pretty lame, but it was interesting. There's lots of people here. I don't feel too lame. Lots of 20-somethings or early 30-somethings people.
All ages, really.
All ages. It's a family affair for some people.
Yeah. It's Full House.
It's
my childhood show.
Wow.
Well, not really that young. I was a teenager, really. So.
But San Fran was good to us. I had a good time. I would say thank you to everybody for watching our video as we shrink into the corner. You can click below us for our most recent upload. You can see what adventure or misadventure we're up to now. You can click to the left for some of our other videos. Please subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow our channel and it's growing slowly, but please subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Ivana, why don't you sing the theme song on the way out? Do you remember it?
No.
Whatever happened to ba-da-ba-da-ba-doo?